All this talk about escaping the matrix, but no one's doing it like Trey. In just 3 days, I made nearly $10,000 off a portfolio starting with just 5K. And it's not just me, but so many others. His signals all hit every single time. If you're watching this video, you're probably someone who hates the rat race, the typical 9 to 5. Maybe you've tried stocks or crypto, dropshipping, even reselling sneakers. You're probably skeptical. But I just found you a gold mine. Spend just 1 day trading with Trey and you'll realize you may have just found a way out.
What up, y'all? It's your boy Trey from Digital Dollars Trading, where we make the market easy to understand for the streets. So Pete, I want to talk to y'all today about Tesla and what's going on, all right? But before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe so you can see more of my material. So check this out. Tesla. What's been going on with Tesla? What I want you to understand about the stock market is easy. It's easy to understand. You can't overthink it. You can't overthink it. All right. The only thing that matters in the markets is the news, whatever the news is. So if you look at Tesla right now, Tesla has been falling off a cliff. It's been in a straight deep dive. But why is that? Tell me why that is. If you can't, I'll tell you. Okay? Use your common sense. What's going on right now? I'll tell you what's going on right now. Elon Musk has been spending all of his time with Donald Trump and carrying out his Doge duties that he hasn't been around the company, and his image is so bad right now that the market thinks that people are going to start boycotting Teslas or stop buying them and start turning them in. So that makes the price go down. It's not whatever you see on your stupid chart. Okay? It's really, really easy to understand. Investors, they had to divest a portion of their shares out of fear that the public is going to basically boycott Elon Musk and his companies. So what's going to happen? What's going to happen is the shareholders are going to tell his ass, hey, you need to stop wielding that damn chainsaw around and get back in here and get these rockets back up in space and all this and all that. So I'm telling you right now that whatever he has going on with Trump is not going to last much longer, because the market, the Tesla stock is losing too much market share. Elon Musk has probably lost 30% of his wealth in the last week and a half. So he will start feeling pressure from the board and the major shareholders, and he'll be back to running these companies. That I can promise you. But it's simple things like that make you smarter, knowing the market and becoming a better investor. Like my previous videos, I did 2 videos on SMCI. The first one, I said SMCI is probably going to run, it can moon, because the CEO had come out and said that they will be able to meet the deadline to file their 10K. So what did we do? What did my team do? We hopped in some 60 calls and we ran them well over 100-something%. We sold them, we got out of them. And then what happened? We made way more money on the downside of SMCI because think like the market. Told you the market's forward thinking. SMCI started dumping all the way into yesterday because yesterday, the 25th, was SMCI's deadline to file their 10K. And during the market yesterday, they still hadn't filed the 10K. So if the 10K is supposed to be all good, why is it taking you so long why are you waiting so long, close to the deadline to file it? So the market doesn't like that, and it sells off $15 over the course of like 3 days. So we ate on the puts on the way down. And then what happened? They filed yesterday, maybe 6 hours before the deadline, which was if you believe that, you could have bet on some calls knowing that would pump the stock back up. And then in pre-market, it was back up $10 from yesterday's close. You really can make trading easy. You just have to understand how to get news fast and how to process it and understand how the market is going to react to that news. So I just wanted you guys to know that, all right? Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my content, all right?